it's us, just being us individually. Then there you go, yun na yun, nabubuo yung work, the teamwork, the love team as a couple, and everything. Tapos, we get to share everything na alam namin na hindi lang basta nakakatulong. Kumbaga, yung gusto mo, katulad nga ng sinasabi nila, hindi mo sinishare yung bagay na to para mag-benefit siya or mag-benefit ka. Sinishare mo to kasi siya yung tao gusto mong i-share lang. Alam mo, sometimes it's nonsense na mag-share, pero masaya minsan na ikaw pala yung pinipili ng tao para mag-share.
Yeah, okay naman, nag-uusap naman kasi kami about boundaries. Also, before we did everything, nagkaroon kami ng intimacy workshop. It's for everyone naman, so that we know kung ano yung comfortable for each other, and para, maging safe space namin yung isa't isa. So until now, we practice that. Yun po.
Thank you. And
about mo sa love team na Gen Z, ano po, nagti-TikTok po, gano'n. Every usual na, Gen Z, di ba? I mean, yun yung ginagawa ngayon ng mga love team, nagti-TikTok.
Siguro po yung paano ma-differentiate yung love teams ngayon sa dati. Yun, mas maraming ways para ma-promote ngayon kesa nung araw. And siguro, kung para sa akin ang love team ngayon, magandang bagay kasi yung mga fans mas open-minded, yung mga supporters mas open-minded. So hindi, kumbaga, they respect you, they respect your craft, they respect your work, but at the same time, they respect you with your private or your personal life and you as a person. And I think that's very nice, and maganda yun na i-apply din kahit sa love teams. Kasi as long as you're being professional, you don't have to pretend, you don't have to make paasa, you don't have to, alam yun, hindi mo kailangan mag-promote lang, maging sweet for promotion, because ang mas maganda yung raw eh. What you give is the real you, diba? So, as long as professional kayo, tulungan kayong dalawa, and okay naman yun, as long as you respect also each other's boundaries. Kasi gusto natin masaya tayo sa trabaho natin, pero dapat masaya din tayo sa personal life natin.
Ito naman sundan yung kaibigan. Pero ano naman, for me and Haya, as long as, we're being there for each other, and yun nga sabi ni Joy, being collaborative, and just having good energy on the set, to work with her all the time. And I know that's the most important thing with her, is just the energy, and we built this special friendship na ongoing sa set, and then now that we're doing a new show, just being, professional. Like what Jai said, the boundaries that we have to each other, but at the same time, yun, yung napapasaya din namin yung fans from work, kasi that's important, of course. Pero the most important thing is just being there for each other.
I personally feel like I have nothing to add on, because I agree with everything that everyone said, but I don't know, with what Gab said, with what Gab said, I agree. I really appreciate our partnership, and I truly do cherish it. So yeah, it's very special to me.
Marco, Heaven?
Siguro sa amin dalawa naman during the Rain in Espana. And lagi ko sinasabi, actually kinila Gab, kung sino yung kinila Krisha, and then ngayon kay Oms. Now we started as, friends, and teamwork talaga. So, yun din naman yung sinasabi ko sa kanila noon, na teamwork. And then, nung naging naman kami, partners na talaga in life. Hindi naman dahil sa project eh. So, we had to make sure na hindi kami na in love dahil sa characters namin. Alam mo yun? Nagustuhan namin yung isa dahil gusto namin yung isa't isa. Dahil pinipili namin yung isa't isa. And I don't think you know, for me, I don't think na masamang ma-in love. Masamang bakit masamang ma-in love dito sa gwapo na to? Like, so, ang akin is, you know, love is for everyone. Love is free. Love is freedom. So, yeah, enjoy lang. Enjoy life.
Plus, I mean, I guess you can't really control it. So, yeah. It just happens. Let it be. Let it happen, Lance. Aubrey, let it free. Huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mo lang gumalaw.
Okay, so in my case, since like I said earlier, everything is new to me. And yung pinag-usapan namin ni Aubrey, dapat maging honest kami sa isa't isa. And ako naman personally, to make it work, to make the love team work, I think there should be genuine care for each other. Lagi niyong tinatanong yung isa't isa, kamusta kayo, okay ba kayo? Kasi ako, I'm not being a gentleman to her because of the cameras, because I just want to, like, gusto kong makita ng mga tao yun. Ayoko nung ganung mindset. I'm doing these things for her kasi inaalagaan ko siya. Gusto ko siyang protektahan. Ganun po.
Wait, can I add? Kasi siguro kami nila Krisha, nila Haya yung nakakakita, you know, yung ng storya ninyo. Can I just add? Pwede ba ako magsalita or cannot?
Okay.
Pwede ba? So, like,
Be careful.
walang halong showbiz. You know, si Lance, sinahatid si Aubrey sa bahay. Kahit madaling araw na yan or something. Kahit galing labas tayo. You know, he really takes care of Aubrey. And nakakatuwa kasi genuine. You know, like, hindi lang dahil sa trabaho kaya, yun nga, sinasabi ni Lance. And si Aubrey, nakakatuwa kasi parang nakakita na siya ng partner niya eh. Alam mo yun? Yung ng safe space niya na, isipin mo, ang tagal namin kasama si Aubrey lang mag-isa. So ngayon, nakita niya na this person, this guy, can actually be can actually be her shoulder and, you know, something to, anyways, nakakakilig silang dalawa, yun lang yung gusto kong sabi. Yun lang yung ending ng sinasabi ko is, they like each other. Like, they're good, you know, like, they're good for each other, they take care of each other, and nakakatuwa kasi sobrang genuine, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evan. I love you. For me naman, basta kami ni Lance, ang usapan talaga namin, clear lahat. Like, clear yung goals namin, kung ano yung gusto namin. Kakainis. Yung tingin. Clear yung goals namin, and yun nga, may mga boundaries din. And what I like about him naman kasi, attentive siya sa mga small details. Like, napapansin niya if I'm not comfortable na, so he'll ask me parang kung... At saka may times, madalas talaga, nag-aaway kami. Pero hindi ko na i-detail yun why. Basta yun, pero parang, siguro mas dun nagiging strong yung, working relationship namin. Kasi mas nakikilala namin yung isa't isa na, mas nalaman namin na, okay, so Obs, you're not okay with this, and he's not okay with this, ganyan. So yun, basta for us, like, clear lang yung goals namin, and we're genuine to each other. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Thank you.